Hello and welcome back. Hope you are doing well. We have to find the value of this power number 9 divided by 4 to the power 9 divided by 4. So let's get started and find its solution. 9 can be written as 3 times 3 or 3 square divided by 4 as 2 times 2 or 2 square whole to the power 9 divided by 4. If two numbers are dividing with the same power, we use power of a quotient rule. That rule says if a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m, then this is equal to a divided by b whole raised to power m. We can write it as 3 divided by 2 to the power 2 and whole to the power 9 divided by 4. Here we are going to use power of a power rule that says if a raised to power m raised to power n means nested power, then this is equal to a raised to power m times n. So we are going to multiply these two parts, and after multiplying this is equal to 2 9 times is 18 divided by 4. 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 9 times is 18. This is equal to 3 divided by 2 to the power 9 divided by 2. Now writing 9 to its equivalent value, like we can write it as 3 divided by 2, 4 plus 5 divided by 2. And writing it separately, this will be equal to 4 divided by 2 plus 5 divided by 2. 2 1 time is 2, 2 2 time is 4. 3 divided by 2 to the power 2 plus 5 divided by 2. Here is another power rule that says if a raised to power m plus n, then this is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. We can write it as 3 divided by 2 to the power 2 times 3 divided by 2 to the power 5 divided by 2. And this 5 divided by 2 is as same as 1 divided by 2 times 5. 1 divided by 2 times 5. 3 divided by 2 to the power 2. Here is power 2. And 1 over 2 is the value of root. So writing it in root and whole to the power 5. Writing power separately, this is equal to 3 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2 times root 3 to the power 5 divided by root 2 to the power 5. 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9 times this is equal to 9 root 3. How? Root 3 to the power 5 means multiplying root 3 5 times. Root 3 times root 3 times root 3 times root 3 times root 3. This root 3 and root 3 means root 3 square times root 3 square times root 3. Square and root cancel out. 3 times 3 times root 3. 3 times 3 is 9, root 3. And similarly, in the denominator as root 2 to the power 5 means multiplying root 2 5 times. So this root 2 square is 2. 2 times 2 is 4 root 2. And now writing denominator 2 times 2 is 4 times this is equal to 4 root 2. 9 times 9 is 81 root 3 divided by 4 times 4 is 16 root 2. Here we will multiply and divide by root 2. So this will be equal to 81 times 3 times 2 in root divided by 16 and root 2 square. This is equal to 81 root 6, and with this and this cancel out, we have 16 times 2 is 32. This is the final and required value of this question. I hope it is clear. If not, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.